To view your Roblox transaction history in 2025, you can access it easily from both a computer and mobile device through the My Transactions page. On a computer, start by logging into your Roblox account on roblox.com. Once you're logged in, click the Robux icon in the upper right corner of the page. Then, click on your Robux balance, for example 150 Robux. This will take you to the My Transactions page, where you can filter the transactions based on different categories. From the drop-down menu on the left, you can choose from several filters. Summary. This shows the total incoming and outgoing transactions for various time periods, such as the past 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or a full year. Purchases. Here, you can view individual items, game passes, or accessories you've bought. Currency purchases. This shows when you've purchased Robux with real money. Sales of goods. This shows how much Robux you've earned from selling your own creations on the platform. This page will give you a full overview of all your Roblox-related transactions, so you can keep track of everything from purchases to sales.